Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue north in the final miles of US-11 in Franklin County, New York. We begin at mile 267, just north of the village of Malone. After a few rain-free videos, we're starting to see a bit of a drizzle again. We passed through a small corner of the town of Constable, which had a population of 1,476 as of the 2020 census. Constable was founded in 1807 from part of the town of Malone. We now enter the town of Burke, which had a population of 1,421 at the 2020 census. The town of Burke was first settled before 1800. It was officially formed in 1844 after separating from the town of Chateaugay. Initially, the area was referred to as West Chateaugay and was proposed to be named Burney. However, the name Burke was ultimately chosen, likely in honor of Edmund Burke, the British statesman. we enter the town of Chateaugay, with a population of 1,743 as of the 2020 census. The first settlement in Chateaugay occurred in 1796. The town was established in 1799, even before Franklin County was officially created, and it was formed from parts of the towns of Champlain and Plattsburgh. By 1802, Chateaugay encompassed most of what is now Franklin County, though its land was later divided to create other towns. Chateaugay is notable as the hometown of Orville H. Gibson, who founded the Gibson Guitar Corporation in 1902. Additionally, since 1934, the Macadam Cheese Cooperative, originally founded in 1876, has been producing cheddar cheese in the town. Now we enter the village of Chateaugay, with a population of 735. The village, as well as the town, shares its name with a village near Lyon, France, which inspired the name of a land grant in Canada. Chateaugay was incorporated as a village in 1868 and has managed to endure despite experiencing 3 major fires throughout its history. We conclude today's video at mile 279. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.